The Marta Film Genshare Caravan is a stylish and functional camper trailer made by Genshare Automotive, a trusted Turkish company known for building durable vehicle bodies since 1992. This promotional video by Marta Film beautifully showcases the design, features, and comfort of the Genshare Caravan, giving viewers a clear picture of life on the road with this modern travel companion. The Caravan is built with strong materials and smart design in mind. Inside, you'll find a cozy living space, a comfortable bed, compact kitchen, and clever storage solutions, all designed to make traveling easy and enjoyable. The trailer's solid build ensures it's ready for both weekend getaways and longer road trips. What makes the video special is how it blends indoor shots of the cozy interior with scenic outdoor views. That's it, showing how the Genser Caravan fits perfectly into a travel lifestyle. The Scania AXL is a powerful self-driving truck made for tough jobs like mining and construction, without a driver's cabin. It's fully autonomous, which means it can drive itself using advanced sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR. Instead of a traditional driver's space, it has a smart front module that acts as its brain, helping it navigate safely and smoothly through rough terrain. This futuristic truck runs on renewable biofuel and can carry up to 40 tons of heavy material. Its low, strong frame is built on Scania's reliable chassis and is designed for balance, strength, and stability in the harshest conditions. Without a driver's cabin, there's more room for cargo and fewer distractions, making it super efficient. The AXL works best in closed environments like mining sites or industrial areas, where it can follow preset routes managed by a smart logistics system. SLRV Unimog U430. The SLRV Unimog U430 is the ultimate off-road camper for people who want to travel anywhere without giving up comfort. Built on the tough Mercedes Unimog chassis, this beast can handle the roughest terrain, sand, rocks, mud, you name it. Thanks to its advanced suspension, diff locks, and tire inflation system, it keeps going where normal vehicles stop. But it's not just about power. Inside, it's a cozy and modern home on wheels. You get a comfy lounge area, an electric bed that lifts up when not in use, a full kitchen with top-notch appliances, and even a private bathroom with a real shower and toilet. The cabin is made with high-quality materials like leather and soft-close cabinets, giving it a luxury feel. It's also built for off-grid living, with solar panels, a big lithium battery system, and multiple power sources to keep everything running, including air conditioning. The Teardrop Caravan is a small, lightweight trailer designed for people who love simple adventures with a touch of comfort. Its name comes from its unique teardrop shape, which is not only stylish but also aerodynamic, making it easy to tow even with a small car and saving you fuel on long trips. Inside, there's just enough room for two people to sleep comfortably on a cozy bed, while the back of the trailer opens up to reveal a compact outdoor kitchen, perfect for making meals under the open sky. Setting up is super quick. Just park, hop inside, and you're ready to relax. No tents, no fuss. It's ideal for road trips, weekend getaways, or camping without the hassle of carrying too much gear. Because it's small and simple, it requires very little maintenance, which makes it a great choice for beginners and seasoned travelers alike. Whether you're chasing sunsets on the highway or enjoying a quiet night in the woods, a teardrop caravan lets you stay close to nature while giving you a dry, warm, and comfy place to sleep. Telescopic Bike Camper. The telescopic bike camper is a smart and compact camping solution made especially for cyclists. Designed in Germany, it looks like a small box when folded and can be easily towed behind your bike. Once you reach your campsite, it transforms in just 40 seconds into a comfy sleeping space. No tools or complicated setup needed. Just slide it open, pop out the legs, and you're ready to rest. When closed, the camper is only about 1.1 meters long, making it easy to tow and store. But once expanded, it becomes nearly 2 meters long, offering enough space for one person to stretch out comfortably with a sleeping bag. It has windows on both sides giving you light and ventilation, and its elevated design keeps you off the ground. No more sleeping on wet or rocky terrain. Even though it's just a prototype and hasn't entered full production, the telescopic bike camper has gained attention for its innovative design. Volvo FH Aero Range. The Volvo FH Aero is a modern long-haul truck designed to save fuel, cut emissions, and offer drivers a smoother, more comfortable ride. It comes in 3 power options: diesel, biogas, and electric, so you can choose what fits your route and needs best. Thanks to its sleek aerodynamic design, extended front, side skirts, and camera-based digital mirrors, it reduces wind resistance and boosts fuel efficiency by up to 5%. For drivers, the cabin is a big win. It's available in large Globetrotter versions, XL and XXL, with cozy beds, smart controls, quiet interiors, and everything designed to keep you comfortable on long journeys. Whether you're driving all day or resting at night, it feels like a second home. Tech-wise, the FH Aero is loaded with smart features like predictive cruise control, iSee, iSave software, and even night vision. The Volvo Vera is a futuristic, fully electric, self-driving truck designed to move goods smoothly and quietly in places like ports, warehouses, and industrial areas. What makes Vera stand out is its sleek design, with no driver's cabin at all. It operates completely on its own, following fixed routes with the help of advanced sensors, cameras, and GPS. It's connected to a control center that keeps track of its battery, load, and location at all times, making sure everything runs safely and efficiently. Vera runs on a powerful battery and can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Because it's electric, it produces no emissions and makes almost no noise, which means it can work 24/7 without disturbing people nearby. It's already being tested in real-world conditions in Gothenburg, Sweden, where it's hauling containers between a logistics center and a port. This smart truck is part of a bigger plan to make transport faster, cleaner, and more efficient. The Volvo VNL is a next-generation long-haul truck built for comfort, safety, and fuel efficiency. Redesigned in 2024, it offers a bold new look and loads of smart features that make life easier for drivers. Its sleek shape, curved windshield, and improved aerodynamics help save up to 10% more fuel compared to older models, great for long-distance trips. Inside, the cabin feels like a cozy mini-home. It has a comfy driver's seat, a fold-out bunk for sleeping, a fridge, wireless phone charging, and even a telescopic ladder for the top bunk. Everything is designed to make the driver feel relaxed and at home, whether working or resting. Safety is a top priority in the VNL. It comes with advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian alerts. These systems work together to protect the driver and everyone else on the road. Willy Transparent LCD Bus. The Willy Transparent LCD Bus is a futuristic concept that blends technology, design, and transportation in a stunning way. Designed by Tad Orlowski, this high-tech bus turns its side panels into transparent LCD screens. From the outside, people see eye-catching digital displays showing ads, weather updates, news, or tourist information. But from the inside, passengers still enjoy a clear view of the outside world, just like looking through regular windows. The bus features touchscreen-capable glass walls, meaning the display can also be interactive. Instead of old-fashioned posters, the screens can update in real time with useful travel details or fun content like videos or games. The frame of the bus is sleek and stylish, giving it a modern, almost sci-fi appearance. XEV Yo-Yo. The XEV Yo-Yo is a small, smart electric car designed for busy city life. What makes it really special is that many of its parts are made using 3D printing, which is a modern and creative way to build cars. This makes the Yo-Yo lighter, easier to produce, and more eco-friendly. It weighs just 450 kilograms without the battery, so it's perfect for zipping through crowded streets and fitting into tight parking spots. The Yo-Yo is powered by a 20 horsepower electric motor and a 10.3 kilowatt-hour battery, giving you a smooth and quiet ride. One of its best features is the swappable battery system. Instead of waiting a long time for it to recharge, you can simply replace the empty battery with a full one, fast and easy. It's compact, fun to drive, and very affordable, starting at just around 16,990 euro. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or just exploring the city, the XEV Yo-Yo makes everyday travel simple and enjoyable.